Alright, hey everybody, day 2 of our public service announcement assignment. So I'm just going to run you through what's expected of you these next 2 days. So you're going to have 2 days to gather all this information and get this turned in. Yesterday's worksheet should be turned in by now. If you have questions on that or questions about your topic, please reach out and let me know. Again, if you have any questions on any assignments that you need help making up or you don't know where to look, now is your time to start asking. I know the end of the quarter is coming, so the earlier you can get those figured out and maybe have this weekend to get those done, the better. So please let me know if you have questions on those. Alright, looking at our page for today, April 2nd through the 3rd. So today you're going to create your own public service announcement, day 2 and 3. So yesterday you did these things, you learned what it was, the things that make up a public service announcement, and the 3 different styles. So you should be kind of having a thought in your head right now about which style you want to use for your public service announcement, but you don't have to entirely know right now. You also filled out your topic and you found out your topic and you filled out your worksheet. So if you have not turned that in, please do so before you start today. So today we're going to start researching your topic. So to help you research your topic, if you don't even know where to start narrowing things down, we are going to ask you to think of 2 driving questions. Okay, so 2 things that you're wondering about, 2 things that you're curious, and things that you want to focus on. So if maybe your topic has you can see one side of it or you can see another side of it, you want to use those 2 as your driving questions. Whatever they are, there needs to be 2 of them, and it needs to be things that you can research. So if I was doing a public service announcement about the outdoors, my driving question would not be, is it sunny outside? Because I cannot find that many supporting resources and things to say either yes or no. So your driving question should not be a yes or no question. It should be open-ended that drives your thinking, okay? Something that you can build on and explore. So to do that, we have this worksheet below. So once you click on that worksheet, this is what it looks like. So you're going to put your first driving question here. You're going to write your notes. So notes, 1 idea per space. So you're going to write 1 thing there, 1 thing there, 1 thing there, 6 of them. Okay, they should all be not related to each other. Okay, so you can't just roll number 1 into number 2. They need to be 6 different thoughts. The more in-depth that you make these, the easier it's going to be for you as you go forward with your project. So if you keep these like 2-3 words, not going to be very helpful. Okay, these should be like full sentences, a couple sentences each point, because it is going to help you out in the long run, I promise. Okay, you're going to do your second driving question here and your 6 notes below that one. Then you have your resource list. It's talking about what resources you should be using, ending in .edu or .gov or .org. Try to avoid the .com or professional. Okay, so you can use a professional as a resource, but you must talk about what they do professionally to make them credible. So you're going to put your sources in here. If you need to justify why that source is credible, you're going to write that below. So you need to have your sources in here, your 2 driving questions, and 6 points each. Okay, this is also explained right in here. This talks more about the resources if you are confused. My biggest advice to you is just look for the .org, .edu, or .gov. Then you're going to know that they're credible sources. Okay, once you have finished your research worksheet, you're going to scroll down and you are going to turn it in right here. Okay, if you need help and you want to look through the PowerPoint here, feel free, go ahead and do that. If you have any questions, please let me know. You have until Friday to get this done and turn this in. But again, if you want to keep moving ahead and knock it all out this weekend, you are more than welcome to do that.